Your library has hundreds of files. Old drafts, duplicate uploads, assets nobody's touched in months. Deleting them one by one? That's an afternoon gone. With Vyroq's library, bulk actions take minutes. Open library and switch to grid or list view, whichever you prefer. Check the box on any file card or several at once and watch a sticky bar appear at the bottom. N items selected, freeing, with the exact space you'll recover. Here's the smart part. Click Delete Selected and Vyroq checks first, is any file actually in use elsewhere? If some are referenced, you'll see X of these are in use, and you must type Archive to confirm. Friction on purpose, so you never break a live course or campaign by accident. Confirmed files move to trash, not gone forever. Restorable within 30 days. No references at risk? It's a simple confirm and they're archived instantly. Changed your mind mid-selection? Hit cancel and your selection clears. No accidental deletes, ever. That's your library, cleaned up in one pass instead of 100 clicks. Start yours free at vyroqi.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.